Do you ever feel like your skills could be earning you more? What if you could turn your existing talents into extra cash starting today, without a huge investment or complex business setup? Whether you're already working full-time or just looking to make use of your hobbies, there are countless opportunities in 2026 to monetize your skills. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 ways to turn what you already know into a steady income stream. These methods are perfect for beginners, and they don't require a major upfront investment. Ready to start earning? Let's dive into the first way to turn your skills into cash. 1. Freelance your professional services. Are you working in a specialized field like marketing, software development, or design? What if I told you that you could be getting paid top dollar to use the exact skills you already have? Freelancing your professional services is one of the easiest and quickest ways to start earning more money, and it's incredibly flexible. Platforms like Upwork or TopTal allow you to offer your core job skills, whether it's SEO consulting, UX design, or project management, to clients who need them. You can set your own rates, work with clients globally, and have the freedom to choose the projects that interest you. Whether you're working in technology, finance, or creative industries, these roles typically pay $15 to $100 plus per hour depending on the complexity of the project. Freelancing gives you the ability to not only control your schedule, but also scale your income based on how much you choose to work. By building a reputation and gaining more experience, you'll quickly increase your earnings. Over time, this can evolve into a long-term career or even a full-time business. 2. Productize your knowledge with an online course. Do you have a passion or expertise that others would pay to learn about? Why not turn that knowledge into a stream of income? One of the most effective ways to leverage your skills is by creating and selling online courses. This is a passive income model that can scale dramatically over time. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to upload and sell your course to a global audience. You can create courses on anything, from cooking to coding, fitness to finance. Once you've created the content, it's available for sale 24/7, allowing you to earn money even while you sleep. Start small with a 30-day challenge format or an introductory course, then gradually expand. The beauty of this approach is that you only need to create the content once, and it can continue to sell without much additional effort. As you grow your audience and receive feedback, you can refine your course and even launch advanced modules for more revenue. By productizing your expertise, you're not just earning money, you're building long-term passive income that scales over time. 3. Launch a niche coaching business. Have you helped others reach their goals or overcome challenges in your field? You can monetize your mentorship and become a coach in your niche. Whether it's fitness, business, or personal development, coaching is a lucrative way to turn your expertise into cash. Platforms like LinkedIn or Passion.io are perfect for creating your coaching business. You can offer one-on-one sessions, group coaching, or even digital coaching packages. For example, if you have experience in career development, you can coach others on job hunting or negotiation skills. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you can help people with workout routines tailored to their goals. The best part is, you can charge $100 to $300 per hour depending on your niche and expertise. You're not just teaching people, you're empowering them to make real changes. Starting a coaching business also allows you to work remotely, making it ideal for those who want to work from home or even while traveling. Plus, as your client base grows, you can increase your rates and expand your coaching offers. 4. Monetize creative skills via digital marketplaces. If you're creative and love making things, why not turn your artwork or designs into income? You can sell digital products like stock photos, design templates, or custom logos on platforms like Etsy, Adobe Stock, or Fiverr. Whether you're into graphic design, photography, or videography, there's always a demand for creative digital products. These platforms allow you to showcase your work and sell it repeatedly without any inventory or shipping costs. Once you create your digital product, it can be sold to unlimited customers, giving you a chance to earn while you sleep. Digital products are highly scalable, meaning the same product can be sold thousands of times without any extra effort. The key is to create something that offers value, whether it's a Canva template, a social media pack, or video intros. As your designs and reputation grow, you can expand your offerings to different markets and increase your income. Selling on digital marketplaces is a great way to build a brand and gain recognition for your creative skills. It's a passive income model that can pay off in the long run. 5. Provide specialized local services. Have you ever thought about offering services to people in your local area? Sometimes, the simplest income streams are the most effective. Specialized services like furniture assembly, dog walking, or private tutoring are always in demand and can be started with minimal investment. Websites like TaskRabbit or Rover make it easy to connect with local customers who need help with tasks. Whether it's assembling furniture, helping someone move, or even pet sitting, these services offer immediate cash flow opportunities. The beauty of local services is that they don't require specialized skills or a large startup cost. You can even start offering services based on your existing skills, like providing math tutoring or language lessons. Since these services are needed consistently, they can provide you with steady income and help you establish a reliable customer base. Moreover, local services often allow for flexible schedules, so you can easily fit them around your main job or other commitments. It's one of the quickest ways to start earning and can provide long-term income if you choose to expand your services. 6. Become a virtual assistant, VA. Are you highly organized and detail-oriented? Becoming a virtual assistant, VA, could be a great way to earn extra income while utilizing your organizational skills. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with tasks like email management, scheduling, or basic data entry. With platforms like Belay or Fancy Hands, you can find clients who need help with a wide range of administrative tasks. As a VA, you can handle social media management, customer support, and online research. These tasks are in high demand, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for efficient assistance. Being a VA offers you the freedom to work remotely and set your own schedule. Whether you're helping a small business grow or supporting busy executives, this is an ideal opportunity for those looking to earn money from the comfort of their home. 7. Start an e-commerce or dropshipping store. Do you have an eye for trends and a passion for retail? E-commerce and dropshipping are excellent ways to turn your entrepreneurial spirit into cash without the headache of managing inventory. With platforms like Shopify and AliExpress, you can easily create an online store and start selling products. In dropshipping, you list products on your site and only pay the supplier when someone buys an item. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. This hands-off method eliminates the need for storage space, inventory management, and shipping logistics. All you need is a website and marketing plan to get started. By focusing on popular products or finding a niche market, you can quickly scale your e-commerce store. As you optimize your marketing efforts and attract more customers, you can earn passive income through your dropshipping business. E-commerce is an incredibly scalable model, and the more you learn about your market and customers, the more you can increase your sales. It's a great way to earn passive income while building your own online business. And there you have it, the top 7 ways to turn your skills into extra cash. Whether you're leveraging your professional expertise through freelancing, creating digital products, or starting a coaching business, there are plenty of opportunities for you to earn money using the skills you already have. The best part is, you don't need to wait. You can start today and begin building your income streams right now. So, what are you waiting for? Start turning your skills into cash and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who wants to earn extra cash, and subscribe for more practical tips and strategies on boosting your income. Let's make your skills work for you and build wealth together.